If you're interested in casting jewelry, gun scales, knife scales, or anything else in resin without bubbles, you need to have pressure. We found an inexpensive way to make your own pot. You can go to Harbor Freight and get a 64-ounce professional air spray gun kit. It's item 93312. It's under $40 with a 20% off coupon. They also have this small compressor, which is a tire filler. You can get that for around $7 on sale. And then you'll need a 1/4-inch female to 1/4-inch female coupling. And you'll need a valve stem nipple. It's like the valve stem that's on your tire. And then they didn't have a plug, so we got this compressor fitting. So you'll just need to take this out of the box. And the only thing you really need in this whole box is this. So you can just throw everything else aside. And you'll just unscrew the lid. And you'll have to use vice grips or something to get this piece off. It just unscrews. And then we put this on here, just screws on. And then you need this adapter piece, screw it on the other side. And then you'll put your valve stem on. And then just go ahead and tighten everything up. You can see those are some of the scales that we made, and we don't ever have any bubbles in our resin because you use pressure. You just need it around 40 to 50 psi. After you get everything tightened, I'll show you a couple examples of what you can do. We've made this stand, which you can see holds the jewelry molds, the silicone ones that they sell online everywhere. This is adjustable. We may be offering these soon. You can go to 206grips.com or find us on Facebook. We may be selling these soon. This just fits right in. That's one example of what you can do. You can do 16 molds at a time. And as you can see, there's no bubbles in our resin at all. Another option, you can use these type of molds. This one we made, and these ones are just purchased online. Another thing you can do is use this type of mold. To get it, it is a little wider, so to get it to fit, you could just trim this one off. And this is another thing that we've made. It's a stand. So you can take this piece off, put your mold on there, and you would lay the tank down, and this fits right inside. and you don't have to worry about it rolling or anything. It fits it perfect. And then when you're done, you would just take it back out. And this does fit. You would just want to cut the one extra piece off. So to go ahead and put this together, if you don't have a compressor, you'll want to use the tire filler. And you would need a 12-volt wall adapter because it's a cigarette lighter that's for the power. We'll go ahead and we'll fill this up with our compressor to show you that it gets to the right amount. We'll act like we're putting that in there. Screw this on. And we're going to use our compressor. You can use the tire filler, but this is just easier for us. Our tire filler isn't that great. So you just put that on there, and we'll go to 40 to 50 psi.